there's one from my end, I guess, because we still don't. Uh, so we know that for high voltage applications, you know, in most cases, along with the BMS, you require, and again, I'll let the experts get in detail here, but you do require a power distribution unit, right? You need some switching circuit, as anywhere where there is charging and discharging involved, separate paths. There are some BMSs out there that have tried to switch between the two over CAN and not require a physical contactor. High circuits with high current flowing through them, so contactors become sort of a must. Any thoughts here on whether you know there is a possibility that we might see BMSs develop to a point where everything is on board, you don't require that physical contactor or switching anymore? Any I know it's a very specific question, but it's something that we've also have faced recently, so why not ask the guys who work on it all the time?
Suraj can take this up. I am not
Yeah,
an expert in this area.
yeah, of course. So, talking about the possibility, it's no more actually a possibility, but it's a reality. So, we have a low voltage system called, we call it FSLT, if you will also find it on our Ion Energy's website. So, if I have to give you a trend, usually if the power delivery is 5 kilowatt or less, it always is beneficial that instead of going from a contactor relays, uh, we should go with a solid state power distribution unit or solid state PDU, SSPDU. The reason being is not just it reduces the size, but it reduces the cost by a lot of margin. So it's not just that there is now a possibility that we are looking for, but Ion has the product developed, full-fledged, working, and a proven product in market, which has no contactors but solid-state PDUs for low voltage systems.
Okay, great. So yeah, so we're basically saying that yes, at least for now, for for higher power systems, a PDU or a traditional PDU still works, still has to be there, right? Because that's where your semiconductors may not be able to support the high current in the system. So if I'm saying it's a bus with a BMS, then I am definitely still going to require a physical PDU, like, or the, what do you call it, a more conventional PDU with contactors.
Right.
Okay.
So
Okay.
what Ion
Yeah.
Energy finds out is that usually above anything which is above 5K, 5 kilowatts, will end up requiring a traditional PDU, looking at the size and the cost constraints.
Okay.